Hello, lovely peoples. Greeting goes to you, whatever you find yourself on the four corners of the earth. I know you all making a gradual plans to make your dream to becoming reality. Ghana GH electrical engineer once again in the site to make an inspection of the P.O.P work. Just stay on whatever you are, just a little minute on your time. We're going to talk a lot. If you wanted to transmit something to your side, if you want to get any educational thought as well, just stay on. You will learn a whole lot of things. Today, I'm here to inspect some of my work that it needed to be executed, especially the P.O.P. We already done the electrical work, finished the plumbing work. The swimming pool are widely constructed. It left only the tiling work, but now we are focused in the P.O.P, the ceiling. I wanted to observe them and see if they have done a great job for me, guys. So here I'm standing is where we designed the septic tank. And the septic tank, the designing, we wanted to suit the landscaping. As you can see, I have suit the landscaping. So we will go side and see. First of all, we will go and see the swimming pool and then we proceed back to the room. Stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome back to the family. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Anytime that I upload the educational video, you will not mix it up. Thank you for also your viewing pleasure. It motivates me most to do a video for you. Please, guys, the reason why I'm coming to inspect the P.O.P is that sometimes P.O.P guys really cut corner. Though I know them already that they did a great job, but sometimes too, if they are finding difficult, they find a way to cut corner. Because Africa, we used to cut corner a lot. It's not only one person, it's not individual. It's even a company they use to cut. Africa, we have some headache like that. If you call the company to do a certain work for you, you had a mistake, you'll be calling them several times. It's headache. They will not pick your call. So you need to match them. So let us walk in there to see the swimming pool. That is the design on your screen. That is a huge design on your screen, how you wanted to do the swimming pool is the design on your screen. You already done the swimming pool, the vehicle, the inlet, the vehicle, the schema, the drains line already done well and already done great. And also the electrically, the lighting, we already done all the wiring on this swimming pool. What it left is tiling, and then we see how we can do the plug. As you can see, the pipe all over, right? Let us go and see. Most of the people are being in the swimming pool, they're swimming and warming, but they don't know how swimming pool get the crystal clear. It passed through all the some procedures before it get into the crystal clear. But a vital position is that if the water does not pass through the schema or the drains, trust me, your swimming pool will not get crystal clear. So this is, let us work alongside with it. This is a schema I was talking about. We have the drain, the water is full of the drain. We have closed them. That is why the water is still there. Yes, this is a schema. You can see there is a hole over there. That water is also show the water level of the level of the swimming pool. Any debris fall inside, it pass through the schema before it go to the pool pump. A pool pump to have a basket, and after that, all the basket, and also I have the filter. That filter have a sun and glass. Anything like dust fell inside. When it pass through the drain, it goes through the basket. Okay, let's go and inspect our P.O.P. Alongside with that, we talk electrically as well. Essentially, we be having issues. Wow, my guys, they are very great. Not bad. Not bad at all. You can check it out. I'm sure that my camera is not good today, but you can check it out because of the weather condition. Check it out. Come on. This is a 6-bedroom, fully automated, and because of the privacy, we decided to separate the 4-bedroom with the open hall like this, and the 2-bedroom aside for the families to another 6-bedroom too. We have do it on that way. It's really great. It's really great. Obviously, a wiring costs us, I think, 60,000 Ghana cedis to buy a cable. It costs almost 60,000 Ghana cedis. You can see the cable over there, very huge cable. It's not up to. We have a whole lot of things because it come this house because of we talk about a little bit about electrically because of the solar becoming expensive in Ghana. We decided to buy the generator because the generator, if you have our money, we go. So this house, our client demand for only the generator, three-phase generator. So we are decided to do it for him, because we know that in outside, what they used to do is that sometimes if you wanted to buy a solar and it's quite expensive, the local government helped you with a little bit amount so that the solar will attract you more. But in Ghana, there is no any way. I think I thought that is a way you can make your comment down below. By Ghana, you have your money, you buy your things. No, nobody helps you. Even building a hospital, building anything, no local government will not help you. But in diaspora, building a hospital, huge hospital, you will definitely get a little help from local government. Yeah, seriously. So in this house, the reason why I'm here to inspect the P.O.P is that sometimes the P.O.P guy really cut corner. If you're not there to do the P.O.P light, in future 5 years, living in the P.O.P for the 5 years, you see cracking all over. So I'm coming to make sure that I know the guys, but I have to max them because Africa really cut corner. I have to max them to do the right thing at the right time, tested the P.O.P, make sure that what you use to test the P.O.P to make sure that it's light or not light, take something and take something, stand up and use your hands to press a P.O.P. You will see. If it's a take, you will see. If it's light, you will see. It's a simplicity. Use something and stand up on that. Use your hands to press the P.O.P a little bit, not press it very like hardly or aggressively. No, press it a little bit softly, and then you'll find out that the P.O.P is soft or it's hard. It will last long when it's hard. So as you can see, they have done the P.O.P very good. Essentially, I've been having a lot of news coming from Accra directly, and some are coming from Kumasi. Kumasi on is really terrible, really, really terrible about a house catch fire, burned every single thing. People lost their life. People lost their property. Seriously, it was so sad. It was so sad. But still, I wanted to follow what caused that, because electrically, I'm also electrical engineer. So I was finding out what caused that, because the people that they went there to do it, it's not anybody. It's electrical engineers, and especially from the government. So they know better. How's that? How's that? Um, the house get fire, and they couldn't still bring in any soluble news that people will get to understand that this caused that fire. Still, I've been working all over to see what caused that. Still, they haven't bring it yet. Do you guess what? I got opportunity to go alongside with one of the engineer who work in the AGS company. So quite unfortunate when we went there. What caused that is alternating network. Building a house in Ghana, please, here, there was a huge, sometimes the sun becoming so much hot. So please, any building alongside with a story building, two-story building, three-story building, four-story building, make sure that they have installed the alternating network for you. What I mean is that at a resta, you can see them on your screen. It's really protect the building, even not the installation only. It protect the building because of the tender strike, anything. It will protect the building. Make sure that the telephos of the electrical installation protections is the alternating network or at a resta. You can make sure that your electrician have provide you some. It's really good in case of when the tender strike. You see, some of the building that it collapse. It's not only that the builder is not good. Sometimes when the tender strike, it get directly to the building. So if you have alternating network, is really very important, very necessity electrically. Is very necessity because I was taught the engineer couldn't do their work, but they checked the electrically, everything was fine. But what they refused to bring is alternating network, because people that they ask them questions from the victims, most of them are saying that when they are plugging something in the outlet or the inlet, they'll be hearing some sound, a little bit sound. Please, if they build a good earthing for this house, any sound it goes off. Any sound it goes off. So please, we should stay good care and make sure that our electrician do the right thing in our side so that in future we may not counter anything. I'm even tired. I'm even tired, seriously. So another one problem is that if somebody asks me a single phase and a three phase, which one is a sufficient? For me, I'll go for the three phase because the load balance in a three phase, the load balance, I say people are making a whole lot of things. As you can see, we have the changeover change it to the generator side, and at the same time you can also have access to utility. So we have a one changeover goes to the generator and the same time utility. When you're talking about the utility in Ghana, it's a electricity company. Electricity company, as you can see, is well designed. I love the designing. I love it. I love it. Each of every single room, it have its own mentalic design, and I love the designing because it's going to. I love beauty. So when I'm designing your washroom, your bathroom, every place that I'm designing, even your lighting designing, when I come for electrician side, I will make sure that all the cable, all the place are well designed, very, very neatly, very neatly. So without mistake things, I see people are saying a whole lot of about plumbing work. Plumbing work have a different sources. It come with a whole lot of things because I went to a certain client and I find out that the three people did the estimate. One of estimate cost like 10,000 plus, and the estimate cost 9,000 plus, and I come and did my estimate, which is cost over 15,000 plus, and the person couldn't understand because I have a reason to ask. To ask. So he asked me, I explained, a plumbing is not about way. Every single compound have its own way to do its plumbing work. Please, most of the plumbing that is a headache to the people, they couldn't consider the grounds before they buy the materials. Most of my plumbing work, I have to consider your compound. If it's a gravy, it's different kind of the pipe that you have to buy. If it's not gravy, we have a different kind of pipe that you have to buy. If you compact it, there is a different kind of the pipe that you have to buy. If you not compact the compound, it's a different kind of pipe that you have to buy. So please, we should be careful the pipe you consider because I visit a certain client at Ajingano and all the plumbing work is not going, it's not moving. But when I find out they wanted to use something to push the water and the water is not going, and they find out that the pipe is totally just bashed down. Everything is locked, totally locked. And do you know why? The plumber was good, but he couldn't choose the material at the right time. Because for me, for instance, when I visit your site, I look at the compound before I choose the pipe. Sometimes the same compound, maybe I'll consider this one pressure, I'll consider this one waste. There's a difference between the waste pipe and the pressure pipe. Let me rest a little bit. Serious. No easy. Not at all. See, this is a master bedroom area. As you can see, you have designed it differently. Okay, see, of the camera, it's a master bedroom. You can see how we design The bed is going to be here. This is a TV side. Sorry, this is a TV side. The bed is going to be our opposite side. But look at what we design it. This is a place for the TV side. The bed is going to be the other opposite side. But look at the way we design it. It's really, really differently. Just check it out. Really differently. So trust me, every single compound have its own way to consider its piping work. So the gravity compound, the compound, when we're talking about the gravity compound, the compound have a gravels, a gravels. If you consider waste pipe, it means that in future you may have a problem. Trust me. So a compound have, or the compound that they fill it with the gravels, please consider the pressure pipe. I know that it's quite expensive. If waste pipe will cost like let me say a $50 or $50, a pressure pipe will cost maybe $150. You see, just for example, maybe in Ghana, for instance, if a normal pipe, a waste pipe will cost like 200 Ghana cedis, a pressure pipe will cost more than 1,000 plus. So it's a huge, huge difference. So we have a place to consider the pressure pipe. I'll find a certain video, explain it well for you. Thank you for your viewing pleasure. Ghana GH Electrical Engineer loves you. To stay tuned, listen to us, but make sure 2 days, I told you that within every single 3 weeks or month, you will get a notification on your phone. So please, if you have clicked this video, make sure that you not hesitate. Just hit the subscribing button. Anytime that we upload educational video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for your viewing pleasure. We thank you for your support. It's really massive. It's really, really massive. People are calling us for our site to come and do electrical work, a plumbing work. It's really, really handsome. It's really handsome. Just check it out. These are here. Check it out. I love this P.O.P. This is a view. People are passing. This is what they can going to see. I love the P.O.P. Check it out. Check it out. Stay tuned. Check it out. Check it out. I love. This is a Ghana GH Electrical Engineer once again. Thank you very, very much. I think I'll leave it here so that we can meet another time. Thank you for your time, for your viewing pleasure. Thank you, guys. Yebeshia.